Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be moving the chicken coop. It is a mobile chicken coop. You can see the tires underneath. I built this last spring before we put the new batch of chickens in it. Around the chicken coop is a Premier 1 fencing with a solar battery charged fence on it. So we take this down, we hook it up to the Ranger, and then we pull it over to where we want it next.
We keep them in each spot for about 10 days.
Yeah, and it's amazing because I might show you if I don't forget, but where they've been over the last several months, the grass is already greening up really nice, and it really helps them with additional forage. And if you're looking for the healthiest option possible, the combination of feed and green grass is fantastic for them. You can hear them in the chicken coop, maybe not, but they're excited. They want to get moving.
Yeah, they're not happy about being closed in.
You can see the chicken door is not open. We have an automatic chicken door and we just put it on manual. We keep them in, obviously, before we move them, and as soon as we get them to where they're going to be, we open the door up. Okay, so here we go. Here's the solar Intelli Shock 60 that we use from Premier 1. It's great. Get out.
Hi, girls.
All right, let's get this thing.
Oh, watch your feet.
We moved the chicken coop over here, but you can see it's slanted forward. So we use the boards that you saw Brenda take out from underneath the wheels to level this off every time. So I'm going to put one board each, I think, on the two front tires and just pull it up. What we usually do now is we top off the water. You saw the water, 5-gallon water jug hanging off the side of the laying box. And then we have one inside. And then we have a dusting box that we fill up to prevent parasites from getting on the birds. They love that bath. So the solar battery charger and battery fit in that box right there. Once again, it's a Premier 1 solar charger. It has that grounding rod you see on the bottom. You stick it in the ground, you connect the negative to the grounding rod, and then connect the positive to the fence. I'll show you how I'm doing that. I usually set it in a position where we get the prevailing southern sun. So this is south for us. So I put it here, catches the early morning sun, and then as the afternoon progresses, the sun stays right down on that, keeps it nice and charged. We also have solar lights on the chicken coop there. You might be able to see them above the window. There's one on both sides. They get charged up and it provides a neat little bit of light out there at night. So you noticed I connected the ground to the grounding rod and connected the positive to the right side of the gate. We open the left side of the gate, so you just disconnect the two connections, and open that gate up and go in and out. So the charger goes on the opposite side of the gate opening.
Please hit the like button, subscribe if you like these kind of videos, and share them with your friends. Have a great day.
Bye.